Hi guys, so the next clock that I will show you is another wonder of the Chinese engineering. It does work. It's a dimple lock, probably some imitation of Kaba 8 looking and judging by the key, but it is a Chinese wonder. As in any Chinese wonder, I would think that it can present sometimes a challenge. It's not that hard to pick, to be quite honest, but depending on the mood of the lock and the mood of the picker itself, it can actually pick a little bit harder. Anyway, let's give it a go. Okay, then let's do the left side once again. Okay, seem to pick the left side. Let's do the right side. Starting from the front, from the front. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's probably one pin somewhere missing. And there we go, it's open. Took me a lot longer than I actually expected, but it's open. So if you turn it, it will not lock like that, so you need to turn it the way it was so that it will lock itself again. Okay, let's quickly get this Chinese wonder and see what is on the inside, because I probably believe that there are some spool type pins, but I don't think they're spools. I would actually think that they are just problems of the casting of the pins, because the Chinese, they tend to actually cast pins, which is amazing. Can't believe that it's would be easier to cast a pin than to cut it out of a rod, but who knows. Okay, so C-clip is out, key is here, and follower for this one. Maybe standard one will work. Yes, seems to be working. So let's have a look and let's drop a few pins. Pretty sure we will drop some. No? Really? Okay, then the small one it is then, but the small one will not fit. Then this one. Also too big. Great. So that's not the proper one either. Okay, one last try. No. Fun, fun, fun. Yeah, then let's try dumping some pins and see what happens. Did it run away? Actually, that's actually the ball. So that's a pin, one of the standard pins, another standard pin. These are all driver pins, and another driver pin with a few springs, another driver, and another driver. This one actually looks like a spool. This one too. Another one and another one. And some million springs. Okay. So let's see what's on the side. 4 pins here and 4 pins here. Okay, I dropped one. No idea where. But let's see. I'll dump them here. these four and these four I dump here. Cool, so let me show you what's the core, and then I show you the Chinese wondrous pins. These are from this side, these are from this side. There's the ball here that kind of locks the core in place so that you know when it gives a click so that you can remove your key. And so these are here the side pins. Sorry. These are the side pins, and these here, as you can see, I will move this a little bit to you. You can see the quality. They really seem, these seem like normal pins that are machined down, but these here, they're like spools, and I totally believe that they're actually casted pins. So yeah, that's the lock Chinese wonder. Another very well engineered lock. Not bad actually, I was expecting something worse. Good guys, thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video and keep it legal. Cheers!